Okay, we got Paul here with his 124-inch Carton Pro DA200 and a 3-blade prop. Listen to that. This is a Kamikaze built Pro. Something special about these cartons still. Blowing pretty good. We're probably, I don't know, what would you say, 30, 40K?
I've got a castering tail wheel, so left turn seem out of question.
And the West will be happy to hear that there is no gyro in this, because this is his full-fledged IMAC competition plate.
Smoothness there from a gust.
Absolutely, in the sun too. Trying to squeeze in the last of our flights. We got some thunderstorms coming here probably in the next hour or so. Clouds are
windy up there.
It is very windy. Clouds are starting to roll in pretty good here. Is some crazy. It's a bad spot. That's pretty windy.
It's making me nervous.
Alright, there you are. A little bit, eh? But that is such a sweet motor. I think your high end is pretty decent, eh? It's just the low a little bit.
So.
There's a bit of a mid-range burble there. Not bad though, like being pretty picky there. Do you vary the throttle much when you're doing those circuits?
Partly because that mix is making me nervous. this year, so it's my first season in intermediate. They start to introduce rollers, but what it has is a single roll, 90-degree rolling turn. Here, I'll try and replicate it here.
Okay, yeah. Like, I missed it, I think. Oh yeah, okay. So you do one roll and you turn 90 degrees?
Yep.
It's pretty tricky, eh?
Well, especially when
You're being judged.
for every 5 degrees you lose in level and
Yeah, right, yeah.
Try it this way. I think I'm better the other way. Yeah, see, I'd gained too much there. But that's pretty much the
Huh. I should try that. That looks really fun. Looks like quite a challenge there to try to master that one.
Well, when I first saw someone do a rolling circle, I just about got a brain cramp, you know?
Yeah, I know, because you're moving a lot of sticks there.
And then I went about trying to learn it. The simulator was very helpful.
Yep. Yeah.